Welcome to a journey through Oceanus House, a modern architectural masterpiece located atop Mount Olympus. Originally crafted by architect Donald Luckenbill in 1992, this house is a testament to transformation and timeless design. Luckenbill began by expanding a modest 1975 structure, giving it a distinctive style and doubling its footprint. But over the years, various changes chipped away at its original harmony, leading to a revitalization project by Good Project Company to bring back its cohesive character. The goal of this reimagination was not only modernization but also a return to cohesion, focusing on refined, minimalist finishes. By introducing reductive detailing, the team highlighted Oceanus House's signature horizontality, making the structure feel as if it hovers weightlessly above the landscape. This unique floating effect connects the interior and exterior spaces, blending the home seamlessly into its natural surroundings. As the project grew in scope, Good Project Company replanned key interior spaces and updated the facade while preserving the existing thermal envelope. The facade's modernized look now features 3 distinct horizontal bands. Each serves a purpose. Metal cables in the lower band anchor the structure to the landscape, while the middle and upper bands alternate between vertical slats and classic plaster to create both privacy and visual depth. These 3 bands accentuate the structure's strong horizontal lines, making the house feel even more connected to the vast landscapes around it. This redefined facade not only preserves but enhances views of the Pacific Ocean and downtown, offering an uninterrupted experience of the breathtaking scenery. Oceanus House, now a modern icon, balances architectural heritage with thoughtful innovation. This meticulous restoration maintains the spirit of Luckenbill's vision, giving the home a renewed sense of purpose and an enduring connection to the natural beauty that surrounds it. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Oceanus House, where modern restoration meets timeless design. We hope you enjoyed discovering the intricate balance between architecture, landscape, and thoughtful innovation that defines this unique home. If you found inspiration in the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces or the careful preservation of architectural heritage, please consider liking and subscribing for more in-depth architectural journeys. Leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts on Oceanus House and what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep exploring the art of design.